Good morning, student. In the previous class, we complete with the chapter number 7, logo command. Hope you all are complete theory session in textbooks and notebook also. So today we start with a new session, that is practical session, which is present on page number 63. Basically, logo is a software which is used for a simple computer language, okay, to type text and do the calculation. So you can download logo free. For that, write down the website http://www.softronics.com. So this website name is present in your textbook also on page number 57. The right side there are some quick let's know more block is there, fourth one. So in that, in a blue color, there is a website. So on that website you can download this application. When you download the application, you have to run that application, and after completion on your desktop this type of window logo will come. Okay, just double click on that. See, I just showing you first. You have to just double click. When you double click, the one window will come about MS logo. Just say OK. Yes, again say OK. When you say OK, this window will come. Okay, you can increase the size of both the window or only one window. So for example, I am taking like this, so you will understand. Now after this, on page number 63 you have my activity session. In that activity section, first one, write the command and output for each of the following. So first is add 40 and 57. So for adding the 40 and 57, there are two commands. Always whenever you write a command, print word is compulsory to write any command. So you can write print 40 plus 57, or you can write print space sum 40 space 57. So I'll just show you. You have to write, for the safer side you can press caps lock key once, so it will comes in a caps lock. So print space 40 plus 57, just press enter key. Answer is 97 here. So you have to write down the answer. Next, multiply 8 and 47. So you have to write print space 8 multiply by 4. So the answer is 32. So you have to write answer 32. Next one, divide 57 by 6 and print the remainder. So for the printing the remainder, you have to write like print space remainder space 57 space 6. So remainder will be 3. Next is 30 greater than 24. So for that you have to write print 30 greater than sign and then 24. Okay, just press enter key. If it is true, means the number 30 is greater than 24, that's why it comes true. If you write like 30 is less than 24, the answer will come as a false, because yes, greater value is 30, not 24. Okay, after this, after we are complete the A section, so just type CS space CT. CS means clear screen and city means clear text. If you write both giving some one space, then it will clear the text also and screen also. So enter. Okay. After that, next is print. Write the output of the following command. So you have to write the command as it is given in your textbook. So print first in square bracket Ashoka the Great. Close the square bracket and answer will be the Ashoka. Means print first means you have to print the first word. Okay, so it will given the answer or given the output as a Ashoka. Next one is print last. So print last in the square bracket Lata Mangeshkar. And complete the square bracket. So answer last means it select the last word. So Mangeshkar. Then print difference. (81) space 9. So difference between means you have to minus 81 minus 9. So answer is 72. Next is print reminder. (121) space 5. So answer is 1. Now print 25 is less than 23. Answer is false. Just now I show you some greater one, that is true answer. Here it is false because 25 is greater than 23. Okay. Now third is lab session. In that lab session, first I am clear the screen and clear the text. Next one, in a class of 40 students, 5 students went for the quiz competition and 14 went for the excursion arranged by the class teacher. Find out how many students were not in the class. So simple, we have a 5 students for going for the quiz competition and 14 students is for the excursion. So add these two students, so 14 plus 5 how many? 19. So 19 students we have to minus between the 40. So you can write as a print total student is 40 and we have to minus 19. So answer is 21. So total 21 students are there. Okay, and you can write as a total 40 students, in that 5 students for the quiz and 14 for the so total is 19 students are not there in the class, and I am giving the total strength here as a 21 here. Okay, next one is the gardener bought 1 dozen plant for the nursery. 1 dozen means 12. Okay, the total money paid was rupees 48. How much does each plant cost? So you have to, what you have to do, you have to divide the total number of rupees by the dozen. So print print 48 total rupees we spend and for the 12 plant. So total is how much? 4 rupees for each plant. Okay. Next question. Amar had 294 stamps to fit in a 14 pages of his stamp album. Evenly write the logo command to know how many stamps are put on each page. So simple, we have to multiply the both the things, means 294 stamp having 14 pages. So what we have to know? Write down the logo command, how many stamps are put on each page. So each page we want. So what we have to do? This one, you have to 294 divided by 14. So in each page how many we get to know. Okay. So print print 294 divided by 14. So answer is 21. So total 21 stamp or are put on each page. Okay. Now next one. There are 3150 students in a school. Each classroom can provide seats for 50 students. How many classroom will be required in a hall? So simply print each, means you have to always divide. Okay. So it is because we have to calculate only one content. So total 63. Okay. In this way you have to download the logo application with the help of Google and then complete this practical and send me the photo of your logo window. Okay. If you have any query, any doubt, write in comments box. Watch this video again and again so you will understand how to complete the practical with the help of logo application. Thank you.